5th G-Files Governance Awards. Good evening, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, friends. On behalf of G-Files, I take this opportunity to welcome our dignitaries, awardees, our patrons and guests. It is our pleasure to have stalwart political leader of Haryana, Honorable Minister for Education and Tourism, Shri Rambilas Sharma, as our special guest. Today evening, we have with us a large number of serving and retired civil servants, legal luminaries, academicians, media personnel, and other dignitaries from various walks of life. This year's G-Files Governance Awards are the 5th in the series, which will be presented shortly. These awards have been instituted by an organization which is outside the domain of government. G-Files is a magazine on governance and civil services. It is India's first highly reputed monthly magazine, read by people who shape public policy and India's destiny. I would now request Honorable Minister for Education and Tourism, Haryana, Shri Rambilas Sharma, to please come on stage and light the lamp. I would also request Jury Chairman Shri Prabhat Kumar and members Shri Anil Razdan, Shri Vishnu Bhagwan and Shri M.B. Kaushal to also come on stage and light the lamp. Thank you, dignitaries. I would now request Editor G-Files, Shri Anil Tyagi, to deliver the welcome address.
Namaskar. Adaniya Rambilas Sharma ji, all learned jury members, I extend a very warm welcome to you all to the 5th G-Files Governance Awards 2016. When we started G-Files in April 2007, governance was something not much talked about in the media. We decided to fill this void and consciously took a decision to focus on coverage of programs and policies of the government. The G-Files, personally me, because I am the editor also and the director in the company also, we don't run any industry in the country. We have only this medium to earn the bread and butter. Whatever the Sharmaji's government or our state governments or central government gives to us, we earn our livelihood. And that's why we are very forceful, because there is an old saying, a person who has nothing to lose, you must look at him and you must feel fear out of him, because there is nothing to lose. We don't have anything to lose. And I will proceed with the proceedings, and I will invite my anchor to run the show.
Thank you, Anil Tyagi ji, for enlightening us with your inspiring words and shedding light on the journey of G-Files. We hope G-Files continues with its independent and research-driven journalism. I would now call upon Chairman of the jury, Shri Prabhat Kumar, former Governor of Jharkhand and former Cabinet Secretary, Government of India, to address the audience.
माननीय मंत्री जी, चयन समिति के मेरे सदस्य, हमारे वरिष्ठ सिविल सर्वेंट्स, और आज हम जिनका सम्मान कर रहे हैं एक लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड के साथ, डॉक्टर R.A. मशेलकर, और प्रिय मित्रों, ये बड़ा सुखद अवसर है। ये लगातार पांचवा अवसर है जब G-Files की ओर से ये गवर्नेंस अवार्ड्स दिए जा रहे हैं। ये कोई भाषण देने का अवसर नहीं है, इसलिए मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता। ये तो जो हमारे अवार्ड विनर्स हैं उनकी उपलब्धियों का जश्न मनाने का अवसर। So I think with these words, I would once again salute the award winners and only hope that they do not remain content with what they have achieved, that they'll continue striving for more laurels to be added to their repertoire. Thank you so much.
I would now request jury member Shri Anil Razdan, former Union Secretary of Power, to say a few words.
As a member of the jury, it's my privilege to be in your midst. And it is with a sense of great satisfaction that I stand here, that for 5 years this jury has tried to search out people from all walks of life in the civil service who have made an exceptional contribution going beyond the call of duty. I once again thank all my colleagues in the jury for having allowed a very free and frank discussion. And as Mr. Tyagi mentioned, we don't look at the personalities, we just look at the work. And if anything is discouraged, it is lobbying. That is one way of disqualifying whoever is to be awarded. Of course, there are some individuals who are known to us, but they're known to us more for their work than for our relationships with them. And I think it is an honor for the jury and also for the award that they have consented to accept the verdict of the jury. I welcome the award winners once again and thank all of you for supporting the jury. Thank you.
I would now request Shri M.C. Gupta, former Chief Secretary, Haryana, to say a few words.
Anil Tyagi ji is an old friend. And we have been friends since the time he was a very close confidant of Chaudhry Bhajan Lal ji. And he has established the G files right at the center of a special type of journalism. And as Prabhat Kumar said, he has given through this medium, through the G files, he has given a huge respect to the civil service. And when I say civil service, I don't mean the Indian Administrative Service, I mean the whole host of it. And I certainly include the public sector in this description. Wish Anil Tyagi ji, wish G Files all the success in the times to come. And my greetings and my respectful regards to Chief Guest Shri Amila Sharma and Shri Birinder Singh. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye.
5th G Files Governance Awards. Our first awardee is Shri Vikas Arya for outstanding contribution towards advancement in Indian Railways.
Excellent Contribution Award. Shri Vikas Arya, Director, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Indian Railway Service of Mechanical Engineers, 1992 batch.
As Director in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, I have been working in vaccine security and other things. It's a great privilege to be honored. I think two things a government servant never gets to get is appreciation for his work and appreciation from his wife. I've got 50% of it. Thank you very much.
Our second awardee is Shri Amit Lodha for outstanding contribution to the police service.
Excellent Contribution Award. Shri Amit Lodha, DIG PSF SHQ, Jaisalmer North, Indian Police Service, 1998 batch, Bihar Cadre.
I'm very happy to tell you that today Sambhav is a full-fledged program. It is going on in a lot of districts of Bihar. And Mr. Amod Kant, former IPS officer, has collaborated with us. And today we're teaching thousands of children about computers and a lot of other things. Microsoft is a big donor to Sambhav organization. And I must tell you, sir, particularly Prabhat Kumar sir, that these kind of awards definitely motivate us. And I'm very happy to see youngsters like Prashant and Mandeep out here. The future of civil services is indeed very bright. Thank you so much, sir.
Is Shri Mandeep Singh Randhawa for distinguished police service.
Excellent Contribution Award. Shri Mandeep Singh Randhawa, DCP, Central Delhi, Indian Police Service, 2006 batch, AGMUT Cadre.
privileged to get this award, and this will be a great motivation for the work done by me and my team. Thank you very much.
Our next awardee is Shri N. Prasanth for Distinguished Public Service.
Excellent Contribution Award, Shri N. Prasanth, District Collector, Kozhikode, Kerala, Indian Administrative Service, 2007 batch, Kerala cadre.
An extended method of food on the wall concept, which is quite popular in Europe, which we have centralized. We have brought in a centralized accounting system, and wherever you contribute, it goes through crowdsourcing. It comes to a central account, and the coupons that are distributed through taluk office and village office, that gets honored in more than 125 restaurants all over the city, which is growing. So basically, no questions asked. If you're hungry, you get fed, and that's with dignity. You'll be treated like any other customer. You will not be made to stand separately on nothing like that.
Our next awardee is Shri R.S. Julania for unmatched contribution in the field of irrigation in Madhya Pradesh.
Excellent Contribution Award, Shri Radhe Shyam Julania, Additional Chief Secretary, Panchayat and Rural Development, Government of Madhya Pradesh. Indian Administrative Service, 1985 batch, Madhya Pradesh cadre.
और सर सबसे ज़्यादा मोटिवेटर रहा है गरीबी हटते हुए देखना, झोंपड़ियों को पक्के मकान में कन्वर्ट होते हुए देखना, जिन बच्चों के शरीर पर कपड़े नहीं हैं उनके शरीर पर कपड़े पहनते देखना, जो बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जाते हैं उनके माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को प्राइवेट स्कूल में पहनते देखना, जहाँ माइग्रेशन बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, लेबर बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि उन्हें जॉब नहीं मिलता और दूसरी जगह जाना पड़ता है, वो रुकते हुए देखना, ये मैंने देखा है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Our next awardee is Shri Sutirth Bhattacharya for outstanding contribution towards growth of energy sector.
Excellent Contribution Award, Shri Sutirth Bhattacharya, CND, Coal India Limited, Indian Administrative Service, 1985 batch, Telangana cadre.
Are standing in a place where you have miles to go before you sleep. This award has come for the Coal Indian, on behalf of whom I am the pro forma respondent of the award. I thank the team, G-Files, I thank the honorable jury, I thank the audience, and I thank the people of India that you please encourage us and keep faith in us that we can substitute import, we can give you quality coal, we can ensure cheaper power, and we in our own way will ensure the security, energy security of the country. Jai Hind. Thank you.
The next category of awards is the Exceptional Contribution Award. Our first awardee is Shri Saurabh Kumar for unparalleled achievements in the energy efficiency sector.
Exceptional Contribution Award, Shri Saurabh Kumar, Managing Director, Energy Efficiency Services Limited, Ministry of Power, Indian Revenue Service, 1992 batch.
It's not the end of the journey. We have only begun. LED was one of them. We have now started on other different equipments and services. But let me thank once again this very august jury and G-Files for honoring us. We are really humbled, and this gives us a lot of encouragement to do more and more. Thank you very much.
Our second awardee in this category is Shri K. Balamurugan for his outstanding contribution to public service.
Exceptional Contribution Award, K. Balamurugan, former Regional Passport Officer, Chennai, Indian Forest Service, 2002 batch, West Bengal cadre.
This has slowly created a good image among the public, which actually saved me. And the project was implemented. Then I thought, okay, everything is done in the Passport Seva. When I went back to my village after this, during this flood timing, I could understand how we have migrated the village out of the village some 25 years ago. It was still there, but I didn't want to complain. So I had a good network of all senior elite people like you, bureaucrats, politicians and media. So with their network, till now, till today, we have been trying to reconstruct my old village. Thank you very much for giving this elite opportunity of being in this stage, sir. Thank you very much.
Our next awardee is Shri Sanjay Kumar for outstanding contribution towards environmental protection, wildlife conservation and sustainable livelihood.
Exceptional Contribution Award, Shri Sanjay Kumar, Deputy Inspector General, National Tiger Conservation Authority, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Indian Forest Service, 1996 batch, UP Kada.
मुझे दो लाइनें बहुत ही प्रिय हैं और मैं समझता हूं कि हमारे जितने भी सिविल सर्वेंट्स हैं उनके जीवन में ये ध्येय रहा है. मैं उन दो लाइनों के साथ अपनी बात समाप्त करूंगा और गा के सुनाऊंगा आपको. हमें उन राहों पर चलना है जहां गिरना और संभलना है. हमें उन राहों पर चलना है जहाँ गिरना और संभलना है. हम हैं दिए औरों के लिए जिन्हें तूफानों में जलना है. हमें उन राहों पर चलना है जहाँ गिरना और संभलना है. जहाँ गिरना और संभलना है. धन्यवाद.
Last but not the least, our final awardee in this exceptional category award is Shri O.P. Singh for successfully leading disaster relief operations during the floods not only in Jammu and Kashmir but also Nepal and Chennai, and for revamping security apparatus of major airports in the country.
Mr. O.P. Singh has gone to attend the DG's conference in Hyderabad where Prime Minister is delivering the lecture tomorrow. So he's just excused himself, but he has deputed his commandant, Shri Deepak Agarwal, who has come here. Deepak, please come and dance.
Exceptional Contribution Award, Shri O.P. Singh, Director General, Central Industrial Security Force, 1983 batch, UP Kada.
The final category of awards is the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award, which has previously been bestowed upon nuclear scientist Dr. Anil Kadukar, IPS officer Shri Ved Marwa, the man behind Delhi Metro Shri E. Sridharan, and retired IAS officer Shri S.K. Mishra. This year's prestigious Lifetime Achievement Awardee is Dr. R.A. Mashelkar for magnanimous contributions in innovation and science.
Lifetime Achievement Award, Dr. R.A. Mashelkar, FRS, President Global Research Alliance, Award for magnanimous contributions in innovation, science and society.
That India's leadership is going to be in affordable excellence. You can quite clear. We can conquer global markets with this. Why these products, which are world class, and by the way, they have been fully tested and validated before those awards have been given by the best of the experts. I think that is the direction, because that would create not only inclusive India, but what I can say as India that provides leadership. My last passion is, of course, everyone is someone. I am the president of National Innovation Foundation, which says that you don't have 1.25 billion mouths, but 1.25 billion minds. The basic issue is everyone is someone, and everyone can do something, basically, you know. And these awards, by the way, that we give and we search and we support are given by President of India, by the way, all the time. Okay? And last year, I still remember 50% out of the 30 were practically barefoot poor people. They can think, they can create ideas. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the sum of what my life is. It is convex lens leadership, it is pushing affordable excellence, and it is pushing the principle everyone is someone. I dedicate this honor to my mother, because of whom I'm here. She not only gave birth, but also gave me, that illiterate lady had the value of education, by the way. And I can tell you, she kept on asking me to go higher and higher. I have received some 37 honorary doctorates so far. And I remember 25th honorary doctorate I received 1 week before she passed away. And I still remember, she says, now I'm happy I can go. So I'm here because of that. And secondly, my second mother, CSR, that's the only organization that I've served in my entire life. Again, I'm here because of my CSR. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us stand for a standing ovation for Dr. Mashelkar to recognize his lifetime achievements in innovation, science and technology. Thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts and experiences and inspiring us. I would now request our special guest, Honorable Minister for Education and Tourism, Haryana, Shri Rambilas Sharma, to deliver his address.
IAS, IPS अधिकारी की बड़ी मुसीबत होती है। देश में कोई कैलिबर की बात, कोई सत्ता के साथ समझौता करना जरूरी नहीं है। कई बार विपक्ष का आदमी भी सही बात कह सकता है। ज्यादातर ऐसा हो गया है कि आपका काम बहुत कठिन है। हम जानते हैं कि साचे जग नहीं और झूठे रब नहीं, तो इसके बीच में से आप लोगों को रास्ता निकालना पड़ता है। मैं अधिक न कहते हुए मैं अनिल त्यागी को, रमेश शर्मा को बार बार बधाई देता हूं। आपने एसके मिश्रा साहब जैसे हमारे हरियाणा का निर्माण में सहायता देने वाले ऐसे अधिकारी को लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट दी। आपने मिशेलकर साहब जैसे राष्ट्रीय वैज्ञानिक को आपने लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट दिया। आपकी मैगजीन को मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। और जो ज्यूरी आपने चुनी, इनकी आंख से कोई छोटा मोटा आदमी बच नहीं सकता।
Thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts with us. I would again request Shri Anil Tyagi ji to introduce our chief guest, Honorable Union Minister for Steel, Shri Chaudhary Birendra Singh, before I call upon him to deliver the keynote address.
चौधरी बीरेंद्र सिंह जी को मैं आमंत्रित करूं, उससे पहले मैं ये बता दूं कि इस भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में सबसे अनुभवी आदमी भी अगर कहीं से आया तो वो कांग्रेस पार्टी से आया। 40 बरस का राजनीतिक अनुभव, तमाम तरह की कमेटी, महाराष्ट्र में टिकट बांटना, उत्तर प्रदेश में टिकट बांटना, राज्यसभा, लोकसभा, एमएलए, मंत्री, तमाम। लेकिन एक सबसे बड़ी खूबसूरत बात जो वीरेंद्र भाई में मैंने देखी, हम्बलनेस।
लाखों करोड़ों रुपए खर्च के हम इंजीनियर पैदा करते हैं, हम डॉक्टर्स पैदा करते हैं, हम आईआईटी के ग्रेजुएट पैदा करते हैं, एंड दे आर द मेजर कंपोनेंट ऑफ इंडियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विसेज। ए कॉमनर must understand this mark sheet doesn't tell, but I know for certain a commoner who is from the common stream, who is from the social stream, he may be more effective, more near to the problems, more near to the common man. These things are to be decided by the jury of such eminent persons. When I met Dr. Mashelkar for the first time, I realized he's a great scientist and a man down to earth. और हमने देखा दिलीप पटगांवकर के साथ भी आप 2-3 बार मुझसे मिले, तो मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि अगर डॉक्टर साहब आप आईएएस में आ जाते हैं तो देश का नुकसान होता है या फायदा होता है, ये बताइए। This is my ground. You people deserve appreciation on your expertise, that is science. And I am proud of you that every kind of technology in this country, if it is what you have said, if it is bigger in size, but can it be bigger for giving relief to the large section of the society, that is the technology. So I am proud of this, that a man whom I adore, I like, that is you, and I have been lucky enough to be, I should not say that I gave you the prize or the award was on behalf of, we were only postman, मैं और रामबिलास शर्मा, अवार्ड्स तो आपके थे। तो ये सारी बातें तो बहुत हैं करने की, लेकिन आखिर में फिर मैं ये कहूँगा कि आज मैंने एक नया रिकॉर्ड बनाया है और वो अनिल त्यागी ने बनवा दिया, उसके लिए भी मैं अनिल जी को बहुत बधाई देता हूँ।
Thank you, Honorable Minister, for putting across your concerns about synergy between political bosses and bureaucracy for progress and growth, and the need to speed up the system to move ahead. To conclude this ceremony, I would now like to invite Dr. G.S. Sood, Business Editor, G-Files, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Kansha. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my proud privilege to deliver a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of the entire team of G-Files and of my own, extend you all a very hearty vote of thanks for gracing the function. My very special thanks are to Honorable Union Minister Chaudhry Birinder Singh Ji and Honorable Minister in Haryana Government, Shri Ram Vilas Sharma Ji, for being with us here today, encourage us and give awards to some of our outstanding officers who have set highest standards of governance in the country. We are all inspired by your presence and kind words, sir. I convey my heartiest thanks to important dignitaries, including those from the judiciary, serving and retired civil servants, noted academicians, friends from the media, and distinguished audience for being with us at this occasion.